Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Pineapple Builder and Typedream. So let's get started with the quick overview about Pineapple Builder and Typedream. To get started, Pineapple Builder is a no-code AI-powered website builder designed for solopreneur, startups, and small businesses looking to quickly launch a functional landing page or one-page website. It's geared towards speed, simplicity, and lead generation with a focus on basic website. I'm talking about Typedream on the other side is a no-code website builder focused on creative professional and those looking for minimalistic, high-quality website with an emphasis on test-driven design. Typedream also allows users to build sleek, dynamic website with a rich topography and easy-to-use drag-and-drop features. Then talking about what these two platforms are best at, Pineapple Builder is best for quick MVPs, landing page, and small business website. Then talking about the downside of the Pineapple Builder, it has a limited design flexibility and a customization, not ideal for complex or small page website. It also has the basic functionalities without advanced design option. Then talking about the Typedream is best for creating creative agencies and small business focused on test-driving design. And talking about the weakness about this platform, it has a limited template option for complex designs, also lack advanced animation and interactive features. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. So if you need a quick AI driving site optimized for lead and mobile friend lines, just go for Pineapple Builder. Then on the other side, you can go with Typedream if you want a clean, minimalistic website and a focused on design and test. Don't mind scaring complex functionalities. So if that's what you want, just go for Typedream. So that's it.